How to rename a few MP4 video files into MOV under Windows 10 using a batch file. I right click on empty area, a new text document, and type in whatever you want. I delete the txt and I replace it with bat. So it's a file name .bat. Now press enter, yes, to change the file name extension, and right click that file and edit. After edit, type in ren from rename star.mp4, that is every mp4 extension file, space star.mov. So we are going to rename every mp4 file into MOV file, and that's it. Close the file, save it. Notice that the extensions are mp4 for each and every file. Now if I double click on this one, all of them will be MOV. That's it. To rename them back, you have to edit the file, edit, and simply switch the two. So put the mp4 to the end and the MOV to the center. So let's just cut that one, leave just one space, put a space after this, and paste it there. So now it will rename every MOV file into mp4. Close it, save it, double click on the BAT file, and the file name extensions were restored. This is not a conversion, this is just a renaming of these files.